Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, especially if you're tight on space or love to take your cooking on the go. We're talking about the CAROTE 17-piece titanium pots and pans set. Now, 17 pieces sounds like a lot, but CAROTE has a few tricks up its sleeve to make this a compelling option for many. Let's unpack what this set is all about. Right off the bat, the headline feature here is the non-stick titanium surface. CAROTE emphasizes that this is crafted with next-generation titanium, offering a safe, non-toxic cooking experience. They claim the non-stick coating is durable and long-lasting, designed to withstand daily use. This is crucial for any non-stick cookware, as the coating's integrity is paramount for both performance and health. A good non-stick surface means less oil needed for cooking, and more importantly, food should slide right off, making your culinary endeavors a lot more pleasant. Speaking of pleasant, let's talk about cleanup. This set boasts an ultra-smooth, spray-coated surface that, according to CAROTE, resists stubborn residue. And the big one, it's dishwasher-safe. For many of us, the dishwasher is a lifesaver, and if this set truly lives up to that claim, it could be a significant time saver after a long day of cooking. Quick and simple cleanup is always a win in my book. Now, the 17-piece aspect might make you think of overflowing cabinets. However, CAROTE has designed this set with an ingenious space-saving solution. The pots and pans nest neatly, and they claim this can save up to 70% of your cabinet or drawer space. This is particularly appealing for those living in smaller apartments, dorm rooms, or if you're an RVer or camper who needs to maximize every inch of storage. They even include pot protectors to use when stacking, which is a thoughtful touch to prevent scratches and maintain that beautiful finish. One of the most innovative features of this CAROTE set is the detachable handle. This is where the "from stovetop to table" claim really comes into play. The handles attach securely, providing a stable grip, and CAROTE states they have a strong weight-bearing capacity. This means you can easily transition your cooking from the stovetop, to the oven, to the grill, into the fridge, and directly to your dining table, all with the same pot or pan, just by clicking the handle on or off. This versatility is a game-changer for reducing dishes and streamlining your meal preparation and serving process. Imagine cooking a meal on the stove, popping it in the oven to finish, and then serving it directly at the table, all without transferring it to a separate serving dish. Beyond the core functionality, CAROTE also offers a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase. This is a standard but important assurance that they stand behind their product and are willing to address any quality concerns. It's good to know there's a support system in place should any issues arise. Let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. Pros: the non-stick titanium surface is a major draw, promising a healthier and more enjoyable cooking experience with easy food release. The dishwasher-safe claim, if true to its promise, makes cleanup significantly less of a chore. The nesting, space-saving design is a brilliant solution for anyone struggling with storage. The detachable handle system offers incredible versatility, allowing for seamless transitions from cooking to serving and storage. The inclusion of pot protectors for stacking is a nice detail that helps maintain the cookware's longevity. The 12-month warranty provides peace of mind. Cons: while CAROTE touts the durability of the titanium non-stick, we'll have to see how it holds up over extended, heavy daily use. Non-stick coatings, no matter how advanced, can eventually degrade. The detachable handle mechanism, while convenient, introduces a potential point of failure. We'd need to trust its long-term sturdiness and ease of use. The 17-piece count might still feel overwhelming to some, even with the nesting capability, depending on how their kitchen is organized. In conclusion, the CAROTE 17-piece titanium pots and pans set with its detachable handles and space-saving design appears to be a very well thought-out solution for modern kitchens, particularly for those who value efficiency and versatility. It tackles common pain points like storage and cleanup with innovative features. If you're looking for cookware that can adapt to different cooking environments and minimize clutter, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.